Have you ever been watching a DIY Dollar Tree video or a Dollar Tree haul video and you've seen items that you really wanted at your Dollar Tree? But you get to your Dollar Tree and unfortunately you can't find them anywhere. And start looking up and down the aisles and you cannot find what it is that you are wanting. Your Dollar Tree doesn't carry it. And they're not in stock and they're not coming anytime soon, and you've just got to have this item. And someone says, well, go order it online. You get home, you pull out your computer and you go to Dollar Tree and you see you've got to order a whole case of these things. How do you get that item without paying for an entire case of stuff that you really don't need? I'm going to show you that right now. Hi guys, my name is Miranda and my channel is Creative Living. I normally do DIY Dollar Tree projects, but a lot of you in the comments have been coming to me asking about Dollar Tree items. And what I'm going to talk to you guys about today is how you can order any item from Dollar Tree's website and only pay for the items, the number of items that you want. I'm going to refer in my video to like bling wrap or perhaps floral gems, because every time that I use floral gems, for example, a lot of people ask about that product because it's not a year-round item. Some stuff in Dollar Tree, you're going to see it at Dollar Tree all the time. Other items, it's just like a hit and miss, and it's even a hit and miss from store to store. Here is what you do, and y'all, this is so simple. Dollar Tree's policy is as long as you have the original receipt, or as long as you have your receipt, and you bring your items back that have been unopened and they haven't been tampered with, then guess what? You can exchange it for another item in the store. You don't get a gift card, you don't get money back, you don't get cash back. But what you do is you can swap it for anything. So Dollar Tree, we all know they carry everything from automotive stuff to kitchen stuff to bathroom stuff. So there is a huge variety of options that we can talk about, including their craft section, their food section, their toy section. I mean, there's a lot of materials and products at Dollar Tree. All you have to do is get online, pull up your favorite item. So let's just say we're going to order a case of floral gems. Well, the problem with that is there's 24 and you probably don't want 24 of them. But even if you thought, well, I can use 24 packs of gems. Sorry, there's a fly. Okay. I can use 24 packs of gems over a matter of time. Sure, I don't have a problem ordering the floral gems. That was me in my case. But the problem there was they come in assorted colors. I couldn't just order the clear gems like I wanted. So in order to get the clear gems, I have to order 18 other packs of gems that I'm not going to use. All you've got to do is order that case, have it sent to your Dollar Tree store, pull out the 6 clear gems that you want, and swap out the other 8. So you can take any item in Dollar Tree and swap it. So if I ordered my case of gems, I would take the 6 out that I want, and I would simply pick out 18 items in their store and give them the assorted colors. So now I'm happy and I didn't spend $24 on 6 packs of gems. I spent $6 on 6 packs of gems, and I've got a bunch of other stuff that I was going to buy anyway, whether it be trash bags, Ziploc bags, toilet paper, toothbrush. When you go to order, you can make out your list. This is another tip that I'm going to add in with my tip. If you have the option and there are more Dollar Trees in your area than just one, then you would want to have it shipped to the store that has more of the items that you often buy. For example, I'm not going to have my case shipped to my closest Dollar Tree, the one nearest me, because they don't have the clear containers that I like to use in my projects. They don't have the mirrors that I like to use in my projects. They simply don't have a lot of items. Now, if you are limited and you just have one Dollar Tree, then you got to work with what you got. In my case, though, I would have my case shipped to like a Huntsville Dollar Tree, because that store has got more options for me to swap out the other 18. And if you guys have been to Dollar Tree and you are a Dollar Tree shopper, you know how easy it is to spend $18. Another thing is you want to check your Dollar Tree's shipment day. So, like my truck over here, the Dollar Trees over here, the truck runs on Thursdays. So, I really don't want to go on Thursdays because they're not going to have the shelf stock. They just got it in. I want to go on Fridays, but definitely before the weekend is over with, because as you know, when the good stuff hits the shelf, it's gone. So, definitely have your stuff shipped to a store that is going to have more of the items that you are going to want to swap out your other items for. Pick it up on the day after shipment day. And I really hope that this helps you guys get the things that you want and save you guys some money. And yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in another Dollar Tree DIY video very soon. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed week. Bye.